Hey Destiny, this is Lance. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to do this little video and just kind of show you a quick few little tips when, especially now that you're getting your website up, which is awesome. So when anybody searches, so this is just Google, when anybody searches, for example, St. George HVAC, this is what's going to pull up. So first you're going to see all the ads, which, ads are hit or miss. Some people have ad blockers, so sometimes these aren't reaching 100% of their target audience just because of the ad blockers. Then you scroll down and you have this is called the Google Map Pack, which to get in here you need a Google My Business profile. And then down here are just the basic organic listings. Um, so to get in these areas on page one of Google with your website with your business, there's three main things. So first we have content, then we have backlinks, and then we have citations. So to get in this area right here, to become number one on Google, on page one, they're looking for content and backlinks. So we jump over to your website, and to to be labeled as an authority in Google's eyes, they look for 1,500 words of content on your homepage, which seems like a crazy amount, but that's that's what Google likes for whatever reason. Um, so I highlighted everything on your front page, threw it in this word counter, and you guys are sitting around 500 words. Um, so that's obviously 1,000 shy of that 1,500 mark. There might be other websites that are going to beat you out just in content alone if they have any more words on their content. um, Another thing is Google is just it's like a big popularity contest. So the more content you have, the more ability you have to put those different keywords that people are searching in Google that are going to help your business pop up faster. Um, so that's content. Um, the second thing that helps with this, getting in this area, is your backlinks. So I threw, so this is a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. It just gives us a bunch of website numbers like the backlinks and referring domains and your keywords. So obviously you're saying that you're just getting your website up, so you don't have any of this data. You don't have backlinks, you don't have referring domains on your website yet. But this is another thing that you're going to want to hit hard to beat out your competitors for that number one spot on Google's first page when people search for HVAC. So just to put it in perspective, here's the company that has the number one spot on Google right now. It's Alpine Temp. When you search St. George HVAC, so they have 180 referring domains. So that just means so backlinks are just other domains that are referencing your domain or your business. So there's 180 other domains that are referencing back to Alpine Temp 460 times. Now you could look up their backlinks and you can copy every one that they have and do 20 more, get up to 200 referring domains, and just to make sure that you beat them out, for sure, and go from there. Or you can kind of pick and choose. Some backlinks aren't created equal. Some of them have more authority or more power. For example, Bell Bros HVAC. That one's going to be a little more powerful because it's an actual another website that does HVAC versus let's say some pizza place references back to you guys. That doesn't hold as much authority as another actual contractor or another HVAC company referencing back to you guys. Um, so getting on up top here on the organic listings. That's content and backlinks. Um, Real quick, so to get in this map pack, I mean, you have to create a Google business profile. It's not that hard. But then that third thing that I mentioned at the beginning is citations. So citations are just your business name, address, and phone number scattered as many times as you can across the internet. That's getting into directories, Yelp, white pages, yellow pages, Facebook, any type of local directory, local listing that has your name, address, and phone number. That counts as a citation. And the more you have, or the more you have over these guys, you're going to take these top spots, and people are going to see 365 heating and cooling up here, and they're going to see 365 heating and cooling up here when they're searching for St. George HVAC or St. George heating and cooling, whatever it may be, some of those keywords in reference to HVAC. So anyways, I know you mentioned that you have someone building your website, which is awesome. I don't know if he or she does the SEO or the marketing side of the website building, but I mean, you have this information, you can easily go and do it yourself. I mean, it's time consuming, but there are those free tools out there that you can do this on your own. Or if you're interested, give me a call back, and we can sit down and discuss some of the goals that you guys have for your business and where you want to take it and what you want to do with your online presence, and we could totally go that route. But again, thanks for listening and for this opportunity to share this with you. And my number is 435-359-4289, and you have my email. So yeah, if you have any questions or want to get together, let me know. Thanks. Bye.